What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and today I'm going to show you 5 things that you probably didn't know about the Honda Fit. So let's get started. Number 1. The Honda CR-V or Acura MDX Cargo Light Upgrade. This is a plug-and-play upgrade that gives you the added benefit of a built-in on and off switch on your cargo light. Now, you can keep your hatch open and be able to turn off your trunk light. Number 2. The 151R to 51R Battery Upgrade. The 51R battery upgrade is a battery that is roughly the same size and comes from a Honda Civic and Accord. The 51R battery upgrade gives you an extra 160 cold cranking amps. Now, if you live in the Midwest like me, where the temperatures get well below zero, this upgrade is a must.
Mine is 12.
Now, depending on what brand battery you purchase, it may or may not fit in the existing battery tray. You can notch out the existing tray or replace it with one from a Honda Civic or Accord. Number 3. Honda HR-V and Insight Suspension. Honda HR-V shocks and Honda Insight springs can be used to lift your Honda Fit approximately 2 to 3 inches. The amount of lift that you will get will depend on the year of HR-V and Insight suspension components that you use. Number 4.
Oh, full commitment now, right?
The Honda Odyssey Overhead Map Light. If you don't have a sunroof, you can swap out your overhead map light with one from a Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey overhead map light comes with a sunglass holder, a secondary mirror, and a surprise that I'll get into later. If you do have a sunroof, unfortunately, you cannot do this mod, because the sunroof motor is hidden behind the section of headliner that you will need to remove. To be honest, the sunglass holder is a bit small for most sunglasses, so I use it to hold my OBD2 gauge. I also use the overhead map light from a Honda Ridgeline to match my black headliner. Number 5. Honda Sport Trim Feature. Select Honda models with the Sport Trim came with an onboard water tank to help wash off your sporting good equipment. Alright, maybe that last one wasn't real, but it would be really cool if it was. Number 5. You can hammer in the 2 tabs on your seat rails to be able to extend your seat 2 inches further back. This comes in real handy for those of you that are over 6 feet tall. That's going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully I showed you something that you didn't know. If not, stay tuned, because I have 5 more Honda Fit hacks to show you, like how to add the Honda Home link to your Honda Fit. Until then, stay tuned and stay fit.